We are thrilled to announce that Sanskar School Bhuj, in association with Kutchmitra, is organizing Brilliants of Bhuj Season 3, a platform to showcase young talent and brilliance. So, stay tuned for more details. Brilliants of Bhuj Season 3 is all about encouraging creativity, knowledge and competitive spirit among students. This season is packed with exciting challenges and unique competitions. So, are you all ready to be the part of this?
Welcome to Brilliance Quiz, the ultimate quiz competition. Group A for Standard 3rd to 5th, Group B for Standard 6 to 8th and Group C for Standard 9 to 12th. Form the team of 2 and compete across exciting rounds like current affairs, general knowledge and the thriller game changer round. Win prize worth rupees 1500 and 1100 along with trophies and certificates. Are you ready to showcase your brilliance?
Introducing a brilliant word, the crossword competition. Group A for Standard 3 to 5, Group B for Standard 6 to 8 and Group C for Standard 9 to 12. Participate individually, solve the puzzle within 30 minutes and compete for prize of Rs 500 and Rs 250. It is time to test your vocabulary and speed. Are you ready to ace it?
Welcome to the Brilliance Stoker competition, the storytelling competition. Group A with Standard 1st and 2nd, Group B with Standard 3rd to 5th. Showcase your creativity and moral storytelling skills within 5 minutes. Dress up as your character for bonus points. Prizes include Rs 500 and Rs 250. Let's wave some magic with stories.
Haiku or a short, what a powerful. Welcome to Brilliant Brief. Group A, Standard 6 to 8. Group B, Standard 9 to 12. Create a beautiful haiku in 575 format based on a picture. You will have 30 minutes to create your masterpiece and compute for prizes of 500 rupees and 250 rupees. Let your creativity flow.
If you love reading and sharing your thoughts, Brilliant Regex is for you. Group A is for Standard 6 to 8 and Group B is for Standard 9 to 12. Read a book, answer the question and present a 2-minute review. The top performers will win Rs 500 and Rs 250. So let's celebrate the love of reading and the critical thinking.
Test your memory in Brilliant Shampa. Group A is for Standard 3rd to 5th and Group B is for Standard 6 to 8th and Group C is for Standard 9 to 12th. Watch a slideshow and memorize the details and recall it within a minute. The best memories win Rs 500 and Rs 250. How sharp is your memory?
AI can't replace the magic of human creativity, but AI can enhance human creativity. I think examination is the best bet for stepping stone to success, but evaluation gives a competency criterion and a clear judgment.
Speak your mind like this in Brilliant Expo, a debate competition. Choose one group, Group A for Standard 6 to 8, Group B for Standard 9 to 12. Each team of 2 will present their opinion and argument and answer the question from judges and audience. Topic include use of AI and examination versus evaluation. Win prizes 1100 and 500. So make your voice heard.
Welcome to Brilliance B, the picture-based spelling competition. Group A for Standard 1st and 2nd, Group B for Standard 3rd to 5th. Identify the picture and spell the correctly. The game continues until we find our top 2 winners. Prizes includes Rs 500 and Rs 250. Let's spell it out.
We invite all the schools across Bhuj to join Brilliants of Bhuj Season 3. Register now and let your students shine. Exciting prizes, trophies and certificates await. Don't miss out. Thank you for your interest in Brilliance of Bhuj Season 3. Can't wait to see you all there. Together, let's make this event a grand success.